So I bottom ticked the shit out of NQ today, and it paid really well. If you take a look, this is my trading view, Tradify dashboard. I'm up $3,000 just on this week alone. We had a pretty good start of June, just over 76% win rate, but overall, these trades were really, really nice. Just for all of you that think this is fake, this is a real Tradify dashboard. I'm refreshing the page. The net P&L here should update once the day closes. But yeah, this is all real, just so you know that I'm not making anything up. So let's dive straight into the top-down analysis. If we go to the weekly time frame on TradingView, you'll see we actually tapped the weekly imbalance, which actually gave a really substantial move. We got a really, really big move off of that weekly imbalance, trading all the way back into our previous range. This is also the origin. We swept that daily swing high. We did have a closure. I am bearish on the daily just because of that closure. I am still looking for price to deliver a bit higher. On the 4-hour, we have that giant wick. I gave a signal out for 50% to deliver a 1-to-1 on stream just yesterday, which delivered really nicely. So yeah, so outstanding was the previous day's high, which I wanted price to eventually come up here and sweep it. I had a zone that I was expecting a rejection of the top of, and 50 and the sweep I was expecting a rejection off of. Price didn't end up coming up to here, so I was golden still. But we do have these areas if you want to mark it out for your own analysis and see if they deliver anything. 943, 741, and 264. If we drop down into the hourly, we had that pretty double bottom. It's actually really nice. I had a sweeping the first high and possibly even the second. On the 15-minute, we have this beautiful which has 4 taps right now. I was expecting, as I said, I was expecting a tap of this zone to go lower. If I just delete everything over here to get a better view. So yeah, we had on the 5-minute, if we were to drop down to the 5-minute, we had one swing. So if we look, a lower high, a lower low, we had a higher high. I would not count this inner swing as a swing part of structure because it did not end up closing below the previous bullish candle, the highest closing bullish candle. Then we had that low, we had that higher high, higher low, and a higher high, but that higher high delivered us a lower low below this swing point, but actually traded into that second swing, marking this when it traded up above the third swing. So that third swing actually delivered a really nice double bottom. That second swing actually delivered a nice double bottom, which we ended up trading all the way to the high and closing it. Now, if you look, this is a concept from Dave's old masterclass. This is a swing with a tap. So first tap scalp, second tap double bottom, and it goes higher. Also known as SBS for all of you wondering. On the M1, look at this. This was perfect. This was picture perfect. We traded up above this structural high, closed with a 5-minute, gave us a perfect sweep. A perfect sweep. I couldn't have asked for a better entry, a better looking entry. A perfect sweep. I fibbed the zone, just like I said in the video that I created, and placed my limit at the 50%, and look what price did. It delivered in 10 seconds. I think the entry lasted about 10 to 15 seconds. Straight up, boom, $2,000, just like that, for 15 seconds of work. And yeah, really nice. If you want to go look at the 5-minute, the 5-minute did end up closing above, and another 5-minute candle also. We had that sweep, that there was a 5-minute fractal, and yes, you can take fractals as SNDR, just make sure to back this. I mean, that's a common question that I get. So yeah, that's everything for today. That was the NQ market review. I will show you guys the execution on NinjaTrader, just so you know that I'm not lying. I also posted the entry beforehand. The exact second that I entered, I posted it in my Discord server under live executions. Boom, delivered perfectly. This was on the PA, you can see over here. I have nothing to hide. This is all done live. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care, guys. Follow your rules.